An apprenticeship or on-the-job training program runs on evidence, the hours logged, the competencies mastered, and the sign-offs behind them. Keep that on paper, and it falls apart the moment someone audits it. The Apprenticeship and OJT Training-Hours Logbook is the fix. One owned file where every hour, every competency, and every sign-off has a place. It starts on the Competencies tab. The work processes an apprentice must master, grouped by area, each with a required hours target. It ships with an industrial maintenance example. Swap in your own trade's work processes and your sponsor's required hours, and the rest of the workbook follows. Then you log the hours. Every block of on-the-job time ties to one competency and the mentor who trained it. Mark it signed off and record who verified it and when. Because hours nobody stands behind are just numbers. That sign-off is the evidence an auditor asks for. The Competency Progress tab turns those hours into proof. Required and logged hours are pulled in for you, required from competencies, logged from the hours log, and the status reads itself. Not started, in progress, hours met, or signed off. One row per apprentice and competency, the whole per skill audit trail. And this is the part that answers the real question. Is this apprentice ready? A completion review checks 3 things. On-the-job hours met, classroom hours met, and every competency signed off. When all 3 are true, the record shows it. The dashboard rolls it all up. 1 row per apprentice, hours logged against required, competencies signed off, and a readiness flag. Ready for completion, nearly there, or in progress. It calculates for you. You never type in it. So one glance tells you who to put forward and who still has hours or sign-offs outstanding. Prefer Google Sheets? The download includes a one-click link. Choose Make a Copy, and the whole workbook lands in your drive. Every drop-down, formula, and color already set up. No importing, nothing to rebuild. It works the same in Excel and LibreOffice. A blank spreadsheet is free, but you build the whole thing yourself. A per-seat apprenticeship platform rents your program's evidence back to you every month. This sits in between, a structured file you own outright, no seats and no subscription. Find the Apprenticeship and OJT Training-Hours Logbook at Ardent Workshop. Keep your program audit-ready in a file you own.